Okay. Comparative and superlative adverbs. An adverb describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Comparative adverbs, let me just make it like this. Comparative adverb compare two actions. Comparative compare two actions. What do? We add er to the adverb. But if the adverb ends with ly, like quickly, carefully, what do? We add more. If the adverb ends with ly, we add more. How would you make it easier for you to remember that we should add more? When we are comparing two things, we add er. We have here are, and in more, we have are. So you can remember it easy. So when we have an adverb that ends with ly, we add more. If we have a normal adverb, like bigger, like big, we will add only er. It will be bigger. Okay? Never use more with the er form of the verb, of the adverb, sorry. We cannot say, I am more bigger than you. No, the er is enough. The er replace the more. Okay? Do not use more and er together. If the adverb ends with ly, we only use more. We are talking about comparative. We are comparing two things. So look at these examples. We could do this more easily with a computer. More easily. Easily is the adverb. It ends with ly. We cannot add er. We cannot make it easily-er. It will be hard. So what do we add instead? More. We could do this more easily with a computer. Penguins walk more slowly than we do. We are comparing two things, penguins with us. So what slowly is an adverb that ends with an ly, so I used more with it. Okay? Some adverb have the same form as an adjective, like fast and faster. Faster could be an adjective and could be an adverb, but it depends on the position on the sentence. If it comes after a verb, here we have run, faster. So faster is in an adverb because it comes after a verb. You can't run faster than that, but if I say Ahmed is faster than Ali, Ahmed is a noun and Ali is a noun. So faster, we will consider it an adjective. But here faster is used after the verb, so we consider it an adverb. Okay? A whale can dive deeper than a seal. Dive here, deeper, describe dive, and dive is a verb. So do you have any question regarding this? The more and the er? Do you have any question before I continue? Okay, good. So more, we use more if we are comparing two things and the adjective have ly. If the adjective does not have ly, we simply add er. Superlative adverb, sorry. Superlative compare three or more actions. What do we add to a superlative? We add est. But what if the adverb ends with an ly? What do we use? We use most. Here est we have s, and most we have s. For the comparative, we use er, we have r, and we use more with an r. If you are confused how to remember, when we are comparing two things, we use er. If we have an adverb that ends with ly, then we will look for the word within the r. Is it most or more? It is more, right? For the superlative, we use an est to compare. If the adverb ends with an ly, what do we add? we add most. E-S-T, st for most. Okay, the S-T on E-S-T is for most. Okay? Never, of course, use most with the E-S-T form of the adverb. He ran the most, he ran the most quickly of all, but we cannot say he is the most tallest of all. We cannot use most with an EST, and we cannot use more with ER. Okay? Examples. Angel eats the most slowly. Angel here is then a name, not the angel from the sky. Angel eats the most slowly. Slowly here ends with an ly, so we used most. She greeted me most politely of all. Some adverbs have the same form as an adjective. Fast, fastest, hard, hardest. If it comes after the verb, then it is an adverb, not an adjective. Sam reacted. Reacted here is the verb. The quickest. So quickest here we consider it an adverb. Andrew works the hardest. Works is the verb. Hardest here we consider it an adverb, not an adjective. Let's practice. Now, tell me what is the answer here. My sister sang more beautifully or most beautifully than Amanda did. We are comparing. Ahmed Zalawi, I will open your microphone. Yes, Ahmed, here. My sister sang more beautifully or most beautifully than Amanda. Here we are comparing two or more than two?
Two.
Two, right? My sister with Amanda. So what do I use, more or most?
More.
More, excellent, ya Ahmed. More. My sister sang more beautifully than Amanda. Rital. Okay. Sam speaks Spanish more correctly or most correctly of all the students. We are comparing Sam with another person or with a group of people?
More correctly.
No, first tell me, we are comparing Sam with one person or a group of people?
Group of people.
Group of people. So what do I use, more or most? So it is a superlative, right?
Yes.
So what do I use? Sam speaks more correctly or most correctly?
Most correctly.
More or most?
Most.
Most. Excellent, Yerital. Most. Okay. Wait. Sham, Karam. This math test was harder or hardest than the last one. We are comparing the math test with another exam or with a group of exams?
With another exam.
With another exam. So what do I use, harder or hardest?
Harder.
Harder, excellent. Okay. Jana Muhammad. Yes. I did my homework faster or fastest than my brother. I'm comparing my homework with my brother's homework or with a group of people homework, with one person or a group of people?
One person.
One person. So what do I use, faster or fastest?
Faster.
Faster. Excellent. Okay.
It's an imperative sentence or not?
Okay.
Yes, it is. I'm asking you to give me the pen. I'm asking you to give me the pencil. I'm
Yeah,
giving you orders. Number 3,
Put your microphone, please, يا
a
جنى.
black dress. She wears a black dress.
Okay. حلا سامي. Jason jumped higher or highest of all of the students in the class. We are comparing Jason with one person or a group of people.
Group of people.
So what do I use, higher or highest?
Higher.
Why higher? Highest. Group, then it is a superlative, then it is a highest, AST. Okay. Narsin. Now, choose the correct one. We have bigger, we have biggest, we have big, we have larger. The blue whale is the animal. What do I say? Bigger animal, big animal, biggest animal, or larger animal?
Biggest.
Hmm?
Biggest.
Biggest. Excellent. The blue whale is the biggest animal. Now, Mila, just a little bit. Let me open your microphone. Okay, Mila. A blue whale is than an elephant. Biggest or bigger or largest? We have a blue whale and we have elephant. So we are comparing how many things, Yamila? Or how many animal?
Two.
Two. So what do I use? Biggest, bigger or largest?
Bigger.
Bigger. Excellent. Muhammad Abed. Okay. The cheetah is than the lion. How many things are we comparing here?
Two.
Two. So what do I use? Slower, fast, or faster?
Faster.
Faster. The cheetah is the fastest animal on the earth. Okay, thank you very much, Ya Muhammad. Let us choose. Yara 3C. Yara. Tigers are the cats. Yara. Okay, your microphone is not working. Let's choose Julie. Hello, Julie.
Hi.
Tigers are the cats. What do I say? Tigers are the slower, larger, largest, bigger. We are comparing tiger.
Larger.
No, we don't have than the cats. Cat is the group of a group of animal. It's not the cat, the regular cat. A tiger is a
Larger.
cat. Yes. Lion is a cat. You know that? It's a group of
Yeah.
So tigers are the
Largest.
largest cats. Yes. Oops, sorry. Okay. I think this is the last one. Let's choose a boy. Yalla. Adai.
Yes.
Yes. The ostrich is the bird. Bigger, biggest, big, or larger? From all of the verbs, all the birds, ostrich is the what?
Bigger.
From all of the birds. We are comparing the ostrich biggest with all of the group of birds. Biggest. Yes, excellent, Yaradai.
Teacher, what? Teacher,
Yes.
you will never choose me in the reading.
I will choose you next time, promise. You'll be the first to read tomorrow. Okay? Uh, let's choose Sanad. Sanad. Let me just open your, yes, Sanad. Okay.
Yes.
Giraffes are than zebras. We are comparing giraffes with zebras. So we are comparing two or more than two.
Tallest.
What?
Tallest.
No, not tallest.
Longer.
We don't have.
Largest.
No, Habibi, we are comparing two things, giraffes and zebras. If we are comparing two things, we use ER. Right?
Yeah.
So what is the answer?
Taller.
Taller, yes. Taller than zebras. Okay, now open your books. Page 353. Okay, page 353. Start doing it. And the first exercise, you have to underline the adverb. And the second exercise, you have to choose the correct adverb. Yeah, let's start. 353, yes. Here is the page number. Now I will show you the answers when you finish. I will stop the share because there is something hiding the screen. Okay, yeah. On the first exercise, underline the adverb. On the second exercise, choose the correct adverb. Okay, good. For those who finished, good. Excellent. And I'll give you one more minute for the others to finish. Did you understand the lesson? Good. So if we are comparing two, we used either ER or more. One with a group of things. If we are comparing one with a group of things or more than two things, we will add EST or most if the adverb ends with an LY. Let's see the answers. On the first sentence, the adverb is loudest. On the second one, faster. On the third, most quickly. On the number four, carefully. And number 5, longer. Number 6, the muffins may bake than the cinnamon roll. We are comparing muffins with cinnamon rolls, so slower. Mr. Costa works the of all the bakers. We are comparing Mr. Costa with all of the bakers, so fastest. Of all the workers, Tony sings of all. So we are comparing Tony with all of the workers. So most cheerfully, Mr. Costa mixes a sweet roll dough. Then Tony, we are comparing Mr. Costa with Tony. So more, the sweet rolls are done soonest of all. Next page, 378. On the first exercise, underline. On the second exercise, choose the correct adverb and write only the adverb on the line, not the whole sentence. Write only the adverb, please. Good, excellent. 378. You are still writing, Ya'adai? Okay, I'll go back to the page. Now, if you finish, open 378.
Mm.
378, try to finish. 378. On the second exercise, please write the adverb only, not the whole sentence. From 6 to 10.
Eh.
Go.
Mm.
Okay. Bread bakes longer than biscuits do. Longer is the adverb. And number 2, more quickly. Number 3, soonest. Number 4, harder. And number 5, most slowly. Number 6, of all the girls we are talking, we are comparing one with a group, all. If we see the word all, then this is a clue word, okay? All means superlative. So what do I choose? Most quickly. The answer is written with the blue, okay? This is the answer, most quickly, is written with the blue. She worked hard or hardest of all, hardest. Everyone eats her pumpkin bread faster or fastest than the other bread. We are comparing two kinds of bread, so faster. Uncle Dan compliments Joe more frequently or most frequently than I do. I'm comparing Uncle Dan with me, so more frequently. Joe stays in the kitchen longer than mom or longest than mom, longer. Yeah. That's it for today, we finished. You still have the homework page. I'll share with you now yesterday's homework.
Pushy.
Oday, did you finish?
Stop. Any.
Why? I know. I will share it again.
Yeah.
What homework? Yesterday's or today's homework?
I then